Welcome to School Time by Ritu. In this video, I will explain exercise 11.2 of NCERT class 8. In this exercise, basically it is about the area of trapezium. So before starting the exercise, I would like to explain what is the trapezium. As you know that it is also written here that trapezium is a quadrilateral having one pair of parallel sides. This is the figure of the trapezium. As you are able to see, ABCD is the trapezium in which AD is parallel to BC. As in the definition it is written, quadrilateral having one pair of parallel side. So AD is parallel to BC, so it is the first pair of the parallel side, and AB and DC are non-parallel side, and AL is showing its height. It can be called height or the distance between the pair of parallel sides. In the second figure, AD is parallel to BC, and these two are AB and DC are non-parallel sides. So the formula of area of trapezium is 1 by 2 into sum of parallel side into height. You can write height or the distance between the two parallel sides. Sum of parallel sides means whatever the length will be of these two parallel sides, the addition or the sum of this parallel side will be written here and then into height. So it can be written like 1 by 2 into AD plus BC. According to this figure, it can be 1 by 2, and here in the bracket it can be written AD plus BC, and height, here the height is AL, and according to the second figure, AD and BC are the two parallel sides, but here AB will be used as height because it is making a 90-degree angle here. So the formula is 1 by 2 into sum of parallel side into height. Question 1. In this question, you have to find the area of the top of the table. See, it is given in the form of a trapezium. As I told you that one pair of parallel sides are there. So, area of trapezium formula is half into sum of parallel sides into height or the distance between them. So one parallel side is 1 meter, the another is 1.2 meter. So 1 by 2 into within the bracket 1 plus 1 by 0.2 into height. Height is 0.8 meter. So when it will be calculated, you will get 0.88 meter square. So this is the answer of the first question. Question 2. In question 2, area of one trapezium is given 34 centimeter square. One of the parallel sides is given 10 centimeter. Height is given 4 centimeter, and we have to find the length of the another parallel side. So I am going to consider it as x. Now the formula of area of trapezium is one by 2 into sum of parallel sides. So one is given 10 centimeter, another I have considered as x, and then height. Height is 4, and area was given 34 centimeter square, so it will be written here. Now the equation is to be solved. So 34, now 2 is on the right hand side of the equal to sign and given in the form of division, so it will change the side, become in the form of multiplication. this for 4, this will be here, और अब यहाँ पर क्या बचेगा 10 plus x. जब इसको सॉल्व करेंगे 2 2 ज़ा 4, 2 से 34 को कैंसिल करा 17. नाउ वैल्यू ऑफ x 17 minus 10, that is 7 centimeter. Question number 3. In question number 3, a trapezium is given and the perimeter of the trapezium is given 120 meter. And we have to find the area. But for finding the area of the trapezium, हमको इसकी पैरेलल साइड्स पता होनी चाहिए. वो पता है 48 मीटर और 40 मीटर. बट द हाइट इज नॉट देयर. AB इज हाइट और AB इज नॉट गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हमको क्या करना है, AB फाइंड आउट करनी है. बिकॉज द पेरीमीटर इज गिवन, मीन्स 3 साइड्स वी नो एंड द 4th साइड वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट एंड पेरीमीटर इज गिवन. तो AB फाइंड आउट करने के लिए हमें क्या करना होगा, AB इज इक्वल्स टू 120 माइनस 40 plus 48 plus 17. इसको सॉल्व करेंगे तो हमें AB पता लग जाएगी. The total of these 3 sides will be subtracted from the perimeter. It will be 15 meter. So अब हमको हाइट भी पता है और पैरेलल साइड्स भी पता है. Then area of the trapezium फॉर्मूला आपको पता है, sum of half into sum of parallel sides into height. So half into sum of parallel sides means 40 plus 48, 40 meter plus 48 meter, and height is AB. So AB अभी हमने find out करी है 15. कैलकुलेट करेंगे, सॉरी 88 into 15, that will be 660 meter square. Question 4. In question 4, a field is given in the form which is in the form of the quadrilateral, and we have to find the area of the field. Now we do not know what the shape of the field is. So the field has been divided into 2 triangles. This is triangle 1 and this is triangle 2. So now the 24 centimeter will be the base of the first triangle and the height will be 13. 24 meter or 13 meter, and the second triangle is the base 24 and the height is 8 meter. तो अगर हम दोनों ट्रायंगल्स का एरिया फाइंड आउट कर लें और उसको ऐड कर दें तो वी कैन गेट द एरिया ऑफ दिस क्वाड्रिलेटरल और एरिया ऑफ दिस फील्ड विच इज इन द शेप ऑफ अ क्वाड्रिलेटरल. तो अब हमको सबसे पहले ट्रायंगल 1 का एरिया फाइंड आउट करना है. तो एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल 1, area of triangle 1 means half base into height, half into base. Base is given 24 and height is given 13. Calculate करेंगे, it will be 156 meter square. अब area of angle 2, area of triangle 2, that is half into base. Again base 24 है और हाइट है 8. तो इट विल बी 96 मीटर स्क्वायर. अब हमें टोटल क्वाड्रिलेटरल का टोटल फील्ड का एरिया निकालना है, तो इन दोनों एरिया को हमको ऐड करना होगा. तो एरिया ऑफ फील्ड मीन्स 156 मीटर स्क्वायर प्लस 96 मीटर स्क्वायर. 6 and 6 12, 9 and 5 14 and 1 15 and 2 here 252 meter square. Question 5. In question 5 you have to find out the area of the rhombus. Now what is a rhombus? A quadrilateral having all the sides equal and 2 pairs of parallel sides. Means this, all the four sides equal and opposite sides are parallel to each other. So the formula of area of rhombus, and these are its diagonals. 7.5 centimeter is the first diagonal and 12 centimeter is the second diagonal. So when the sides are not given and the diagonals are given, then formula of area of rhombus is half d1 into d2. Half d1 into d2. d1 is means diagonal number 1, d2 diagonal number 2. So half into 7.5 centimeter into 12 centimeter, that is 45 centimeter square.